Hello, welcome to Lunar Astro. Today's topic is a very unique topic. That's a lot of research has gone into this. I've never shared this one before with anyone else. This is the first time I'm doing it online. It's a very simple technique, and how this technique got developed is I was reading Manusmriti, and within chapter one it says uh, there's a particular portion and shlok where the effect of the name has been given, how the name affects you. And this thought then I applied with the why our names are chosen as a nakshatra of moon only, why not with someone else. And what happened was, with this particular thought, I worked on it. Several months gone into this procedure, and I got results as well with this. A 3-year-old girl who was not able to speak, not even one word, within within 3 days they got the magical effect. I didn't even see the chart. I had just heard the name and I said, contact me after 15 days. Just change the name first. Then we will do the consultation. This is that technique. And I'm going to share it today. So let me share the PowerPoint and tell you what the technique is. Okay. So activate fortune by your name and city. This is Vedic Astro Cartography. I'm going to discuss in two parts. The first part is your name. The another part is your city. Because a very old astrologer, whenever a certain person will go to him, he will always say, change the city. Change the city and go to this particular city, and your bhagya will rise. Now I understand why he chose that particular city only. And I will give that with example. See, what our names are, our names carry a particular energy. For an example, if similar mantras are formed in such a way that they carry and generate a particular energy when you do the mantra jap, and they activate certain chakras in our body. Depending on your personal chart, depending on your birth chart, your name is a very important factor to activate various plants in a house. For an example, this particular name change is going to activate your bhagya or activate that particular planet which is very good in your chart. Now, these are the sounds of different planets. So the sound of sun is A, E, E, U, and you see all the words which are starting from the A sounds. Number one is only from sun. Depending on your moon, whether it's waxing or waning, there are two different sounds, Yara Lava and Sha Saha. The sound of Mars comes from throat, Ka Kha Ga Gha. All the sounds, your tongue is going backwards when you say the sounds of Mars, because Mars is the signification of Mars is in third house, throat. Mercury is governed by speech, and whenever you see the words of Mercury, your tongue will touch your lips. Ta ta da da na. Your tongue is about to touch your upper part of your mouth. That's the word. These are the words of Mercury. Whenever you say the words of Jupiter, ta tha dha dha na. These words carry the energy of Jupiter with them. Similarly, it's for Venus and Saturn. But for Rahu and Ketu, whichever sign they acquire and whichever house they're sitting or the planet they're conjuncted in, they will carry the effect of that particular sign and that particular planet they're conjuncted with. So, depending on where the Rahu is sitting, suppose Rahu is in Jupiter sign and your name contains a Jupiterian energy, it will also activate Rahu as well. It is not that simple. When I will explain this in a chart, I will show you it is not that simple as it seems, because a lot of factors to see what you're activating. Even there are 3 or 4 layers in it. There, because if you're not considering padas, if you're not considering Ghatika Lagnas, Arudra Lagnas, please do consider them when you see the activation of a house. Okay, so this is one of the most basic examples I could find out in my phone. I was doing a reading for someone,